Hello and welcome back to ARCHI Tools. In this video, we'll discuss about how you can provide a new pattern into your system which is already not present in the inbuilt interfaces. So if I go to annotate and in the region, I'll select one of the fill regions and press on OK and go into edit. We have basically two types of patterns. One is drafting pattern and the other is model pattern. So drafting patterns do not scale with the model and they look same size in every view. It is used mainly for 2D drawings and documentation. Whereas the model pattern is a pattern which can be scaled with the model and it represents the actual size in the real world. That means the scale should be 1 is to 1 and it can be rotated or aligned with the element. So in the drafting pattern, you can see we have a set of hatches already present and you can use your desired hatch. Similarly, for the model pattern, you have different kinds of hatches which you can use for your fill region as well as providing a pattern in the materials that you already know. If you want to create a new pattern, you would find new fill pattern icon over here and you select this. To add a surface pattern, we have two types. One is the basic type and the other is custom. In basic, you can provide very basic hatches, for example, vertical lines or cross lines, which can be placed at different angles. Whereas a custom is more of like a downloadable pattern, which can be downloaded from website and it can be imported into a system. So let's first of all make a basic pattern. I'll provide a name to it. I'll be providing a vertical line which is at 50 gap. So name would be vertical 50 I hope it's not present in one of these. And the spacing, whatever spacing you require, whether you require it at 30°, you can rotate it as per your need. And in the spacing, since you require it at 50 you can select this and press on OK. So a vertical 50 model hatch has been provided. Similarly, you can make a drafting hatch also. This is the same way. You just need to select this and provide your hatch. But while making the pattern, this drafting should be selected. So we have made a vertical 50 hatch and I will check this. So yes, this is a hatch pattern which is provided and if I check my distance, it is 50 spaced. You can rotate this hatch also since it's a model hatch. So you can rotate this hatch even after providing it into your view, which is a good part for your model hatches. Similarly for the cross hatch, if you want to provide a cross hatch, you just need to select this and I'll just create a new one. You can also edit this and rename this, but I will create a new one and name it as crosshatch, which is down, and it will be placed at 45 degrees. And this time, instead of parallel lines, I will select crosshatch, and spacing is fine for me. I'll select this and press on OK. So this is a crosshatch now. Now, what if you want more like a custom hatch? Then you need to go over here and instead of basic, you need to select custom. And I will provide a new name for that. But before that, you need to select which type of pattern you require. So in here, if I go to browse, it will ask for a PAT file. So for that, you can download it from one of the websites. I can show you. This is a free website where you can download your patterns required. Let's say I want this hatch pattern. You can download this by clicking on this. I'll go to my Revit and click on browse. Go to the location where I have downloaded. So this was the file. This was acoustic board fire rated. I will select this pat file and click on open. Keep everything as like this only. Scale is 1 set. Okay. And yes, you can provide a custom pattern like this, and you can rotate this by aligning also, since it's a model pattern. And that's it. You have successfully created a model pattern, as well as you are able to create a drafting pattern using this method. Let me know in the comment box if you are still facing any issues related to the same. Do like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. See you in the next video. Keep learning.